Aeronauts Drones India Private Limited has done an achievement of train 11,000 students from 2022. It's a great achievement by Aeronauts Drones India Private Limited. Actually, this is not done by an individual person, it's a team. We have worked so many efforts for this. We have done so many efforts for this, and we have just come to this stage. Aeronauts started with the vision of just share the knowledge of drone technology to everyone. So we have this 11,000 is achieved from the state of Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, also from Maharashtra. So we have tended different stakeholders like students and school students, college students, and individual persons who is interested to develop their career, and to army members, to NCC cadets, totally to all stakeholders and all industries. I have trained this 11,000 students, and this 11,000 not only training will be just it's a training. They have just developed their career in this, and many people have placed in this. The person who is standing here himself came as an intern, and they have placed here. So this is one of the opportunity to everyone. We are sharing our knowledge, and this keeps on growing. Thank you so much to everyone, and whoever supported us from the beginning. To everyone, thanks a lot.
Hi, actually it's such a wonderful moment that we have now, and it is started at 2022. Actually we started like hobby, like we have to teach for many people like students and whoever that they want to do some interesting thing or most valuable achievement they want to pursue. So that we have started like a hobby, and this is the stage that we have now, and it is not because of actually in individual questions, and it is a teamwork as Subhash sir has said, and இதில் வந்து பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா நாங்கள் எல்லாரோட இன்வால்வ்மெண்ட்டும் வந்துட்டு இதில் வந்து விழுந்திருக்கு. ஆக்சுவலாக இதுக்கு பின்னாடி இந்த அவார்ட் வாங்குறதுல நான் ரொம்ப வந்து பெருமைப்படுறேன். இந்த இயரில் வந்து இப்போது இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஒண்டர்ஃபுல் மூமெண்ட் வந்து நாங்கள் வந்து அச்சீவ் பண்ணுறோம். ஆக்சுவலாக நெக்ஸ்ட்டு அடுத்து வர இயரில் இதை விட பெரிய அவார்ட்ஸ்லாம் நாங்கள் வந்து வாங்கணும், அண்ட் ஸ்டில் வி வாண்ட் டு க்ரோ high enough to reach the sky.
Hi everyone. First of all, I'm really appreciated to be here in this stage, and we got started as 2022 as a drone startup. Actually, we have planned to train more students in this drones and robotics field, because drone is an emerging technology as of now in India, and as of now we train more than 11,000 students, and also we have trained more than NCC cadets also through their workshops, hands-on trainings, webinars, internships, and also we are doing some of the project supports to the final year students if they are really interested in drone technology and robotics. And if the students is having any creative and innovative ideas, we are always ready to support them, and we achieved this target within a span of 2 years. It is a great achievement as a startup, and I would congratulate all my team members, and I have joined this company in 2022 after starting itself, but within 2 years we are growing so much well, and I expect this Aeronauts to make the students and everyone to fly in the sky higher. Thank you for this opportunity.
Thank you for watching. Consider subscribe our channel Kalams World Records and click the bell icon. Like, comment down and share.